little pumpkin that I made. Like so. We are approaching the door. Hi, baby. Hi. What's going on, Mr. Man? Hello. Meow. Oh. Why? Meow. I got treats for you, baby. I got treats for you. Where you going? Meow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I know. It's been far too long. It's been far too long. Hi. Meow. 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 Where are you going? Hi, cutie. Meow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's got his little bald spots because he's taken little thatches out with his claw, which is getting me a bit upset. I don't want him hurting himself. He's getting a mani-pedi tomorrow afternoon. His mum doesn't get mani-pedis, but he gets mani-pedis. How backwards is that, eh? Yeah? Oh my. Hello, baby. Ow! Shall I turn the AC on so that we don't melt? Yes. Hi. Hi. Mama, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mama? Yeah? Ow. Hi. You were so sweet. We doing the rubbin' tubbin'? Oh, get that tubbin' rubbin'. Get that tubbin' rubbin'. Oh, doing the rubbin' of the tubbin'. Oh, my babies. Oh, my babies. Hello. Mom, Mama, put that thing down. You need to use both hands for this. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah. This. Mom. Mom. What is going on, Mr. Man? Hey? Oof. Meow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So he has got a myriad of toys. This one is his favorite that we got from one of those subscription boxes around the holidays. This is the only toy that they sent us that has lasted as long as it has. All the other toys he tore right through. Right? Yes. And I'm always getting him toys and treats because I spoil him rotten and he loves it. And then he goes after my foot. Like so. And he examines me, tries to figure out where I've been, who I've been cheating on him with, what other cats have I been seeing behind his back. Did I go to the dark side and pet a dog? And this is our usual routine in the afternoons when I get home. And this is my baby. This is a toy gun that I use to shoot rubber darts out, and he goes crazy for it. Absolutely nuts. You can't eat the phone, bub. That's not how it works. But he's my baby. My supervisor. He wakes me up to feed him in the mornings. He tells me when to go to bed. He is the boss man of boss men. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are so crazy. Shall I? You want to see how this works? Yeah. Wow. He gets very chatty when he knows that the toy is in play. So I just loaded up a bullet. He stares at it, questions its existence, looks back at me to see if I was serious about this, and then he stalks it. Meow. 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 Ow. I wonder what I'm saying back to him. I really do. It's like, am I giving him the message that I intended to, or am I telling him something completely bonkers? Meow. He's telling me he wants dinner. I'm telling him I've got peanut butter on my knee. What? That makes no sense. Mama, you're crazy. You're crazy, Mama. So to give you an indication just how many toys this little stinker has, he's got his little side cubby here. He's got any number of mice. He's got this little flinger toy. He got this thing, which was once attached to a rope that was attached to a stick. That's no longer. And then he's got all kinds of stuff all over the place. You'd think I had an actual child. But no. I has a cat. I has a cat that I love very much. What you think, bub? Should I turn this off? Get you fed? Let's get you fed. Want to say goodbye to your fans? That's our bye. All right. You heard it here, folks. He's saying goodbye. That's my cue to knock this off and feed him dinner. Or he is just going to lick his own ass. Great. Cheers.